In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to teleport with Journeymap in Minecraft. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Remember to check if both Forge and Journeymap are updated and running either the latest version or a recommended version. After you ensure that both apps are up to date and running their appropriate versions, you can teleport using Journeymap on any type of game in any type of difficulty and mode. First, open up the map by pressing its key. It's usually defaulted to J, so press it and you will open up the full preview of the map. On creative, just right click anywhere on the map and select teleport. Let's say I want to teleport to this top of this mountain, so I just right click and teleport, and if I close the map, I teleport it over here. Let's say I want to teleport over there to that forest biome. I can just press J again, and as you can see, I'm already looking at it. Just right click and teleport, and boom, I crossed the river over. If you want to do this on survival mode, the process is exactly the same. However, since you need to allow cheats, you will notice that if you just join a survival world, you can't just teleport normally by pressing J and opening up the map because you don't have cheating enabled. So to mitigate that, just press escape, select open to LAN, allow cheats, and start the LAN world. Now you can open up the map again, and this time right clicking and teleporting will work because you enabled cheats. Of course, if you don't want to play with cheats enabled, just save and quit, and they will go away after you open up the map again. I hope I was able to help you on how to teleport with Journeymap in Minecraft. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.